Sige, Rafaela, dito kayo.
Magician.
Isa pa raw nabubuhatan yan.
Oh, sige sir.
Ito.
Ready na ako. Pag ako hindi naangat niya, sinasabi ko sa inyo, ha?
Oh, si my co-host, Bulak. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. And by the way, my name is Ray. This is my co-host, Bulak. Can you say hi to Bulak? Si Bulak. Oh, you just say hi. Bulak! Oh, say hi. Crush kita! By the way, this is my good friend, okay? Can you say hi? Okay, introduce yourself. What is your name?
My name,
Yes, your name.
my name,
What's your name?
TikTok.
Ano TikTok? Your name is not TikTok.
Alam ko na.
What's your name? Tok Tok. Ano Tok Tok? I already told your name at the backstage. Sinabi ko na yung pangalan mo kanina.
Kanina,
Yes, your name.
my name,
What's your name?
nakalimutan ko.
Okay, I want you to remember your name and I want you to concentrate first, okay? Hawakan mo yung ulo mo and remember who you are.
O yung R.
Ready ka na?
Ready na.
Okay, concentrate.
Ha!
Concentrate.
Ha!
Concentrate.
Nakalala ko na.
What's your name?
Concentrate.
Your name. I think we have to say goodbye na. Mag-thank you ka na sa birthday family.
Sino yun?
Kay Mami Ethel. Sabi mo, Mami Ethel,
Dati Ethel.
thank you for inviting us here.
0995-3871-681.
Ano yun? Di ka number. What is your birthday wish for Mika?
Nika.
Hey, Jester, say something. Mika?
Nika.
Oh.
Crush kita.
Hindi! Birthday wish, sabi mo, Mika.
Nika. Sana,
Okay?
sana all.
To Daddy Jess.
Daddy Jess.
Oh, yun. Say something to Daddy Jess. Sabi mo, Daddy,
Daddy,
thank you.
thank you.
And,
I love you.
and,
I miss you.
and,
Barbecue.
barbecue.
Chef yan eh. Papaluto ako.
Go back to your place.
Ha?
Dito ka na.
Dito na ako.
Oh,
Ayoko dito.
diyan ka na.
Luda, tulungan mo ako.
Dito ka na.
Ika, mas kita.
Uy, tama na.
Wait lang.
Bakit ba?
Nalikete.
Ano ba?
Bayad na ba ako?
Sino ba natin?
Oh, you had Dandy, Micaela. Okay, ready? Cue music, sing everyone!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Louder! Everybody! Okay. Louder! Alright, Micaela, before you blow your candle, do you have any wish that you would like to share to your friends?
I wish I could be an artist.
Oh, you want to be a celebrity like your mama? Artist, like drawing, like that?
Yes,
Painting, you like painting?
yes.
Oh, so you're on your 7th birthday, expect that there are a lot of people who will give you Pasko naman to. You know what? On your next birthday, your friends will give you crayons, pencil color, and paint for painting materials. You like it?
Yes.
Alright. Happy birthday, Micaela. O, sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, go! Alright. O, blow your candles, Micaela. Micaela, listen. Your daddy Jesse will give you a message for you. Your dad will give you a message for you. Go ahead.
You know Daddy loves you, right?
Yes.
So So that is for me to
Iyakin niya na. Iyakin ni Mama. Iyakin.
How about Miss Ethel Buba? What is your message for me?
ayaw niya naiyak siya eh.
Oh, Miss Ethel Buba, what's your message for me?
Iiyak na yan.
Naiyak naman ako. Don't cry, Micaela, ha? Mommy and Mommy and Daddy loves you so much. I will do everything just to make you happy.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too.
I love you, Dad.
Susundan na yan.
You're a good girl and don't be maldita, ha? Kahit Mommy. Natin na siya. So, we love you so much and we love you.
That we may not be here forever. Yeah, but you know that
Is it okay na?
For your parents, what would you like to say to them?
I love you.
Because you are a very beautiful and smart girl, right?
Yes.
What is your wish for mommy and daddy?
I wish they can be alive forever.
Oh, that's a very wonderful wish for your parents. Give it up for Micaela, Miss Ethel Buba, and Sir Jesse. Everyone say happy birthday, happy birthday. Are you happy?
But these are plastic.
I think that's plastic. Did you enjoy your party?
Yes.
What would you like to say to your friends? What would you like to say to your visitors, to your guests?
Thank you. Thank you for the gifts. And coming for my birthday.
Thank you, Micaela. Ito natin, di ba? A perfect family of the year. Thank you very much for the wonderful message, Miss Ethel Buba, Sir Jesse.
Grabe, sobrang sarap. Chandelas Piñas, thank you, pare Arab Blue. Hindi ko na nag-videohan. Nalimas. Thank you.
Sarap kasi.
Pare, sobrang sarap. Thank you. Salamat, pare. Yes, the best. Thank you so much. Always, Casa Murione.
thank you.
Always yan.
Pang 6 years na.
6 years na.
Pati lahat.
Ubus.
Lahat 6 years na. Lahat.
Thank you. We love you.